Students, I will continue the chapter Basic Principle of Organic Chemistry. IUPAC nomenclature of unsaturated hydrocarbons, that is alkenes and alkynes. Unsaturated means the compound containing carbon-carbon double bond and carbon-carbon triple bond, that is the unsaturated compounds. And the hydrocarbon means the compound containing hydrogen and carbon, that is called as hydrocarbons. Alkene means carbon-carbon double bond and alkyne means carbon-carbon triple bond. First, we will see the rules for IUPAC nomenclature of unsaturated hydrocarbons, that is alkenes and alkynes. First rule, the longest chain must include carbon-carbon multiple bond. The longest chain must include carbon-carbon multiple bond. Here, this is the longest chain and this is also longest chain. This longest chain include carbon-carbon double bond and this longest chain include carbon-carbon. Second rule, numbering of this chain must be done in such a way that carbon-carbon multiple bond has the lowest possible locant number. So first we will select the longest chain and then numbering that longest chain. So that longest chain contain carbon-carbon multiple bond. Here this is the longest chain and this is also longest chain, both are same. So numbering this from this chain from this carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4 and numbering to this chain from this carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is the rule? Numbering of this chain must be done in such a way that carbon-carbon multiple bond has the lowest possible locant number, in which the lowest possible locant number to carbon-carbon multiple bond, in this the carbon-carbon multiple bond is on third carbon and here the carbon-carbon multiple bond is on first carbon. So what is the correct numbering? This is the correct numbering and this is wrong numbering. Here also same, both are the same. Select the longest chain. We will select this longest chain and numbering this longest chain in such a way that the carbon-carbon multiple bond has lowest priority. So numbering from this carbon first 1, 2, 3 and 4 and here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So which numbering contain lowest possible locant number to carbon-carbon multiple bond? Here on this numbering, this carbon number 1 containing carbon-carbon triple bond and this carbon number 4 and 3 containing carbon-carbon triple bond. So which is lowest possible locant number? This is the lowest possible locant number. So this is the correct numbering and this is wrong numbering. Then third rule, the ending ANA of alkane is replaced by ENE for alkene and YNE for alkyne. If the compound containing carbon-carbon single bond, then that is the alkane. If the compound containing carbon-carbon double bond, that is the alkene, and if the compound containing carbon-carbon triple bond, that is the alkyne. So if the compound containing any one double bond, then the alkane ANE of alkane is replaced by ENE for alkene means double bond and YNE for alkyne means triple bond. Fourth number, position of carbon atom from which multiple bonds start indicate by smaller locant number of two multiple bonded carbon before ending ENE or YNE. If the double bond is there or if the triple bond is there, then the position of double bond or position of triple bond is must indicated in nomenclature. So in this example, numbering from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, why? Because the carbon-carbon multiple bond has the lowest possible locant number. From this carbon, this is the carbon carbon double bond on first carbon, and from this is the 1 2 3 4 means on 4 carbons. So from this side is the number, this side numbering is correct, and the position of carbon carbon double bond is on 1 carbon. So how many total number of carbon in longest chain? 4 means butane. Here double bond is there means ANE of butane is replaced by ENE, butane, that is the alkane. So ANE is replaced by ENE. Why? Because here is the double bond. On which position? Carbon number 1. So the position is indicated before ENE. Then the nomenclature of this compound is but hyphen 1 hyphen ene. 1 is the position of this double bond. In this example, numbering this longest chain. First one we select longest chain and then numbering longest chain. 1 2 3 4 and 1 2 3 4. From this side we will numbering 1 2 3 4. Why? This is the carbon carbon triple bond, and from this side the carbon carbon triple bond has the lowest possible locant number. So how many total number of carbons? 4 means butane. Here also butane. In this longest chain triple bond is there means ANE is replaced by YNE. ANE is replaced by YNE, and on which position carbon carbon triple bond? On first position means first carbon. So but hyphen 1 hyphen YNE, that is but 1 ene.